Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to make this bookmark. I'm now going to decorate this metal bookmark. In order to do this, I use the following materials: flat nose flyers, round nose flyers, cotton flyers, flat nose wire flyers, hat pins with a ball, a bookmark, an eye pin, jump rings of 6 mm, a jump ring of 8 mm, 3 pieces of chain with a total length of 25 cm, a metal decorated flower, 3 charms with settings, Swarovski elements in various colors. All materials to make this bookmark are available on www.BeadYourFashion.com. We love these pink items with the bookmark, but all these bright materials are also available in different colors. This bookmark can be ordered as a DoubleBeads Do-It-Yourself jewelry kit, Fields of Flowers. Start with the metal flower. String an eye pin through the hole of the flower and make an eye. You can make an eye by bending the eye pin at an angle of 90 degrees using flat nose flyers or flat multi-wire flyers. Now carefully cut the eye pin using cotton flyers. You need to make sure that you have a little less than a centimeter left in order to make an eye. You can make an eye using round nose flyers. Try to bend the eye as close as possible to the hole of the flower. By doing this, the flower won't be able to move that much. When you've made an eye, you must make sure both eyes are facing each other. You can get the eyes in the same position using flat nose flyers and flat multi-wire flyers. Now I'm going to fix this flower to a piece of chain. Remove 2 links of the chain using flat nose flyers and flat multi-wire flyers. Move the flyers in opposite directions to open the link. String the open link through the eye of the eye pin of the flower. Now close the link with the 2 flyers. Repeat this for the other part of the chain. Now I'm going to fix a piece of chain to the bookmark. In order to do this, I use the jump ring of 8 mm. Open this jump ring with the flat nose flyers and flat multi-wire flyers. String the eye of the bookmark and the pieces of chain on the ring. I use all kind of beads and charms in the shape of flowers to decorate this bookmark. It gives this design a summer look. Bead Your Fashion also has a trend page. Here you'll find the latest trends concerning jewelry and fashion. It's definitely worth taking a look. I'm now going to fix the pendants to the chains. First, I fix the pendant with settings to the chain. Then I'm going to fix the Swarovski elements flower pendant to the bookmark. I want to make sure this pendant hangs somewhere in the middle of the bookmark, but the choice is of course up to you. Then I'll fix the other charms with settings. Don't glue the Swarovski almond stones in the settings yet. You can best do this when you've finished the entire bookmark. Otherwise the stones might fall out of the settings while you're finishing the bookmark. I decorate the bookmark with various clusters of Swarovski elements. I make these clusters by stringing 2 or 3 Swarovski elements on a hat pin separately and make an eye. Then you can fix the jump ring to the eye of the hat pins. Now fix this ring to the chain of the bookmark. The clusters make the bookmark look playful and sparkling. I make a total of 4 clusters, 2 clusters of each 3 4mm rose-colored xylium beads, 1 cluster of 3 4mm amethyst-colored xylium beads, and 1 cluster of 2 6mm fuchsia-colored xylium beads. For more information about making a cluster of beads, you can check out the technique page of BeadYourFashion. Here you'll find more information about other jewelry making techniques as well. When all the clusters and charms are affixed to the bookmark, the Swarovski almond stones can be glued in the setting of the charms. In order to do this, I use specific stress glue to glue the pointed bags in the settings. A special pencil to place the small pointed bags in the settings, and an eye pin to divide the glue in the settings. To prevent the glue from spilling on my bead mat, I place the bookmark on a piece of paper. Put some glue on the piece of paper. Now put a little bit of glue on the eye pin and divide the glue in the settings. In order to glue the pointed bags in the settings, I use an eye pin, but you can also, for example, use a toothpick. Make sure the glue doesn't fill more than 2 or 1/3 of the settings. Otherwise the glue might overflow when you place the pointed bags in the setting. When the glue is evenly divided in the setting, you can carefully place a pointed bag in the setting. The stones can be easily picked up with a special pencil. With this tool, you can very precisely place the stones in the settings. This pencil can be ordered at www.BeadYourFashion.com. When you've placed the stone in the setting, you can, if necessary, use the eye of the eye pin to gently correct the position of the stone. Let the glue dry thoroughly for 24 hours before using the bookmark to make sure the stones won't fall out. If you've glued all the Swarovski almond stones in the settings, this is the result. When you're going to use this bookmark in a book, it will look like this. A bookmark made with beads is an original and great gift. Have fun making this bookmark.